Okay, I'm gonna pretend like I'm doing a live stream, which I'm not. But I'm trying to return to form. So what I want to do is I want to make a video that's helpful. Basically doing a bit of a how-to video of how I've done some of the videos that I have elected to do for some of the pages that I run, like Bossman Cinema, by example. And funny, a lot of what I've been doing for Bossman Cinema is similar to what I used to do when I was, and I'm going to be using that example, when I was watching a lot of battle rap. I used to use this right here to record it, and that's what this is going to be about. Um, I might be making 3 videos. I have no idea how long this is going to be. But there are some things that I want to show. So let me see if I can minimize. Can I minimize my window? Oh, wait, I might not have to. Alright, let me do something. It's going to look kind of ridiculous, but at the risk of sounding or looking ridiculous, let's do it. Yeah. So this is us looking at like the screen here, right? This same screen that I'm, obviously it looks like infinity right now, right? Now, we want to have a look at this here and this here, right? So let's say, for example, I'm going to play some battle rap in the background, right? So let me, well, yeah, let's hope we don't get too much. Right. All right, let me let me not do that. Let me try and get to something a little more SFW, safe for work, right? So why don't we look for like one of them podcast type of, yeah, let's do that. Just in case they throw some, N words and F bombs and just whatever. Yeah, I'm looking like I'm looking for something interesting. Like, there we go. Yeah, we can do this. I don't necessarily want to do this, but nah. Ah.
5, 4.
Oh, okay, fine.
2, 1. Hello, Jordan Peterson.
Hello, Mr. Rogan. How
you
you
look
doing?
very spiffy today.
Thank you, sir.
This is a new look for
Okay.
you. You've been rocking these a lot.
So you notice
these big.
All right, watch this. Oh crap! Hold on.
Gigantic.
All right, watch this.
What do you call those things?
So now that I've paused it, right? You notice that now you can only see this level going up for the microphone here, but you're not seeing anything happen here. But as soon as I start playing again,
so these concerts that you guys are doing, what do you?
You notice that?
Well, lectures, discussions
it's
is
back.
what I think of them as,
Right?
Because I'm discussing.
So why that's important is because that tells you 2 things, right? So for example, if I click on this, you're not going to hear me anymore. So let me do that by example. Now watch this. Now notice, even though you notice how it was going up and down and it was in gray, indicating that I was talking but nobody could hear me, right? So the ideal setting for recording a video, right? Let's say you want like a podcast when, let's say for example, you're anticipating that you're going to be on the road and you're not going to have access to internet or anything like that. So you want to record some of these things so that you can, either watch them on your laptop or your tablet or whatever you want to put them on. Well, obviously, it's more than likely a tablet. I mean, sorry, your laptop, because tablet's probably not going to have all of the features like what we would have here, right? So just to point that out, the best thing to do is to do this. So when you have it, in other words, when you mute the microphone and you press record and you want to get all of the the video of whatever it is that you're recording, then you can easily just leave it like this. So that's the ideal setting to have. So for example, if you want to record like an intro for your own show, right? Something that I've actually done for my Bossman Cinema, which I will actually try to create a brand new intro just so that you have an idea of how that is done. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we need to know. So this is for the microphone, and this is for the audio playback from the machine itself, right? So again, if you notice, let me just play from YouTube again.
I mean, you might think it's kind of perverse to be discussing with a 3,000 person audience, but it's not, because if you pay attention to the audience, they're constantly, and the individuals in the audience, they're constantly providing feedback.
So therefore, if you want to record that without having any noise in the background, you click on this and you just let the recording just continue. Yeah, you just hit record, make sure that your mic is muted. So therefore, like right now, the trucks are passing, right? So if I don't want the trucks as a part of the, you know, the video that I'm selecting, and this goes for anything you want. It could be a local video on your laptop. Let's say, for example, for me, like I watch a lot of either, you know, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Golden Wind, or The Blacklist, right? If I want to record that in particular, you know, I can always do a desktop capture, whether I do a smart selection, which I've actually done here for this particular screen.